Good morning, student of class 8th. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home. I am Abdul Rashid and today I will teach you general knowledge, that is GK. This is your book for class 8th. Tell me more general knowledge and life skills. As you can see more about this book. In your book, chapter 1 is life skill, chapter 2 is nature, chapter 3 is science and technology, chapter 4 language and literature, chapter 5 is India and world, chapter 6 is sports and entertainment, and chapter 7 is brain teasers. There are unit 7 is brain teaser, unit 6 is sports and entertainment, and unit 5 is India and world. There are total 7 units in your book and 66 chapters. Now come to the first chapter, that is face the situation. Class 8th subject GK and chapter 1 is face the situation. Children, as you grow up, you have to face many types of situations. Some can be good while some can really trouble you. You have to face many situations as you grow up. Some are difficult ones and some are easy for you. You have to react positively towards them with your utmost intelligence. You should use your intelligence and react positively towards them. Now given below are some children shown in different situations. How will you react in each of them? Write your view in the given spaces. You have to write your view about shown children in different situations. Some children are shown in different situations and you have to write down your views about them. First, Meghna visited a departmental store to buy a toothpaste. Meghna went to a departmental store to buy a toothpaste. When she saw returned amount of money, it was rupees 20 extra. When she saw that the shopkeeper had returned her rupees 20 extra, what would she do in this situation? Answer: she should return the extra money, that is rupees 20, to the shopkeeper. She should return the extra money, that is rupees 20, to the shopkeeper. Second situation, Shivang is the 2 years elder brother of Nishant who study in class 6th. Shivang is 2 years elder brother of Nishant and who study in class 6th. One class teacher of Nishant told Shivang about the poor performance of Nishant in studies. What would Shivang do in this situation? Answer: Shivang should guide and help Nishant in his studies. Shivang is elder brother of Nishant and he came to know that his younger brother is performing poor in his study. So Shivang should guide and help Nishant in his studies. Third, Javed was watching movie in cinema hall with his family. There he saw that his sister Alisha is throwing garbage below the seat. What would Javed do in this case? As you can see in the figure, her sister Alisha is throwing garbage beside the seat and boy seeing his sister. Then what should he do? Javed would forbid Alisha to throw garbage below the seat and suggest her to throw it in dustbin. Fourth, Edward found his nearby park with full of litter as there were no dustbin placed. What would he do in this situation? Edward found that in the park nearby his house there are so much litters in it. Then what would he do in this situation? As you can see, so much litters are placed in the park. He should contact the concerned government authorities regarding this. This is a one solution, and other solution is he should clean the park with the help of his people of his colony. Fifth question, when Arpita saw her maid servant daughter working with her. Arpita is a girl and she saw that her maid servant daughter is working with her mother. Arpita asked her mother, she do not go to school. She asked my mother about maid servant's daughter that she do not go to school. She then came to know that they didn't have enough money to buy books. Then Arpita came to know that Arpita's mother told Arpita that they had not enough money to buy the books. Maid servants has not enough money to buy the books. What would he do in this situation? What should she do in this situation? What should Arpita do in this situation? In this situation, she should share her books with her maid servant's daughter. In this situation, Arpita should share her books with her maid servant's daughter. This is a question of sharing and caring. Now, for today's homework, you should read all these questions, and in the next class, I will give you this home chapter as solved exercise as homework. Thank you.